In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your 30 days free trial on Amazon Prime. So, of course, you need to go to Amazon.com and be signed in. And then what we're going to do is go to the top right here where it says account and lists. Then we're going to go down till we see memberships and subscriptions. Now, I don't have an active Prime subscription, but to show you what it looks like, we'll go to my 30-day free trial that I had. So we'll go past subscriptions, and yours will look something like this, and it'll have this Prime membership settings. And inside here, you will have the option to cancel. It won't bring this up. This is just because I don't have an active membership. So if you don't plan on resubscribing, make sure to do this at least 2 days before the time is to renew. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.